Engari anarorukul ore tendamarua ele shirika le URT kiata enkibobera naleng amu ore nkituak nemeeta irmoruak negira atum enkinyala naleng eton ekunyi nkera.
The pastoral community first of all own land communally. There's no individual land ownership. The same apply to hunters and gatherers community, and sometimes in the context of the country, probably people don't understand. I mean, when I say people, I mean the policymakers do not understand the aspect of communal ownership. They see land is empty and nobody is responsible for it. So sometimes they consider those land to be free for investment, free for other, use or to serve the interests of the government. My name is Marco Sinande. I work for Ujamaa Community Resource Team. The vision and objective of Ujamaa is actually to focus on land rights. And this was the main challenge that we realized that the pastoralist community, hunters and gatherers community, they face a lot of land grabbing and which lead to eviction. This is simply because of the nature of their livelihood.
Management is another key focus of Ujamaa, and with management, communities come up with governing bylaws that ensure that land within their jurisdiction is well protected and well managed.
We started by working on 3 villages, but now we are more than 140 villages. But also in terms of secured land, we managed to secure more than 2 million hectares of land.
Within the communities we work with, you find that not all community members engage actively in these processes of securing governance, management, and benefits. You find in the pastoral context, women are left. And so we developed what we call women rights and leadership platforms. And the idea really is to give extra training to women to be able to engage actively in the securing, governance, and management of land and natural resources.
Since we intervene our work as UCRT to the grassroots communities, we found that women who are engaging mostly in saving groups, they are now engaging in small business, going to the market, sell commodities.
Nanu rankanye tantomono ni rankanga miti araba era na dwenki ko banara besa yeni na la de na rumengine ore ndire na na de secondary na no be ne so me sha ma lolo so kwa shule lolo so kwa emanyata.
The training we do, it offer women a space also that the community can count women like they have a role to play to make the rangelands healthier also, and the healthier rangelands also can help the community to mitigate on the impact of climate change. Before this intervention, the situation was worse, but now at least some resources now they are coming back, like grass and water. But also it creates an alternative livelihood. For example, we have women who now engaging in rangeland monitoring. They have some sites they have been given by their villages.
I give you a lily. Redangarilla one in the Wallali, and the Ralami. Then I give under Marra, and the Lohana Marra, Naragin Perinti, and the Lohanda Marra, Lohanda Barra, Ninganda Barra. As in the Dogni Lali, Lambagamara, Alani Anasa.
If indigenous people are doing their part to conserve the land, so can you.